Today I make the presentation of communication skills. My topic is listening skills. First of all, we will discuss about what is listening. Listening is a great skill. It builds trust and encourages problem solving, but it takes practice. It's more complicated than you might think. Most people don't think about it. It is second nature. Good listening enables people to tell their story. Now, why listening skills are important? Listening skills are most important for improves relationships, improves our knowledge, improves our understanding, prevent problem escalating, save time and energy, can save money, leads to better results. Now let's start the process of listening. Listening is an active process by which we make sense of, assess and respond to what we hear. The listening process involves 5 stages which includes receiving, understanding, remembering, evaluating and last one, feedback. Now we discussed all the stages one by one in detail. First stage is receiving. First stage of listening is receiving. This stage is represented by the ear because it is the primary tool involved with this stage of the listening process. This is the basic stage where an individual hears a message being sent by a speaker. This stage is basically the stage of hearing and attending. Second stage is understanding. To understand symbols we have heard, we must analyze the meaning of the speaker. It is the stage at you learn what the speaker means, the thoughts and emotions. The listener must understand the intended meaning and the context assumed by the sender. This stage is basically the stage of learning. Third stage is remembering. It is most important listening process because it means that an individual has not only received and interpreted a message, has also added it to mind storage bank. But just as our attention is selective, so too is our memory. What is remembered may be quite different from what was originally heard. This process is basically the process of recalling. Fourth stage is evaluating. It is the stage in which active listener participate. The active listener sorts fact from opinion and determines the presence or absence in a message. It consists of judging the message in some way. At times you may try to evaluate the speaker's underlying intentions or motives. This stage is basically the stage of judging. Last stage is feedback. At this stage, we plan our reply to message. This stage requires that the receiver complete the process through verbal and non-verbal feedback because the speaker has not other way to determine if a message has been received. If response the positive, it means the listening is effective. So this is listening cycle which includes receiving stage, then understanding stage, then remembering stage, then evaluating stage and at the last feedback stage which means answering and responding. I hope you will enjoy this presentation. Thank you.